So with that being said, how many of you have not still got any of OI Pulse plans? This is for you now. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing a quick demo of like and how you can get a complimentary OI Pulse session. Have you registered yourself? If you have not, okay, if you have not, go into oipulse.com. All you needed to do is just go into oipulse.com, register yourself, like and create an username and password. Once you are done with that, you just needed to like and verify your email address. Automatically, it will take you to this page. As a new user, if you click on any particular page, it will show, please subscribe for plan to use the functionality. So I will give you an easy way for you to avail either a 7-day trial, or you can get 3-month plan, or you can get 1-month plan, or you can get an annual plan, which is going to be absolutely complimentary based on your luck. So do you wanted to see my luck? Whether what am I going to get it? Guys, how do you can use a scratch card offer for the online users? This is going to be valid only till Diwali. So make use of it in case if you wanted to avail one of the biggest offer for all the Diwali like an plan which we have. So the biggest Diwali surprise is you can get 1 year absolutely free if you are able to register and then make a money. Just go, once you're registered, click on the scratch card. We have given you the scratch card here. Just scratch card here. Oh no, I have got only a Go trial plan, which is for, just click on this. It is copied. Go into the plans page. Congratulations, you have won one promo code. It's a 7-day free trial. Click on this plans page. The 7-day free trial. Click on subscribe. Enter the coupon code which was copied. It'll be absolutely nil. Accept, pay now. Now you are all in to enjoy all the features. Probably there are few features which will not be available to all of you. Say for example, the advanced chart will be available, but the OI Pulse signal, the OSPL signal and other things that will be available for the annual plan. But still, you have all the features which you will be able to explore it. So as a scratch card user, you will be able to avail it only once. And this is only for new users, not for the existing users. Guys, this is only for the new users and not for the existing users. And it is first come, first serve basis. And once the whatever the promo code which we have uploaded, it's over, you may not be able to avail. Already many have availed. So you have one more day for you to get a 7-day, or you will be able to get like on 1 month, or you will be getting 3 months, or you will be getting a 1 year complimentary from the scratch card. So it'll be displayed here. The promo code details will be available, whether you're getting it like on whatever the plan which you're going to be there, you will be able to see it. As this is only for the new users. Existing users, you guys are already getting it, a big discount which we have offered. And on top of it, you're getting a free session from my side. What more you need for you to get yourself and fully get ready for you to make a move in the market now. Okay, so now I will be showing you what are the functionalities and how you will be able to use it to your better advantage. There's people who have not gone through the manuals and other things. I hope yesterday night in our Telegram channel, I've uploaded